Meaning of halwa.
halwa,
Halwa.
halwa,
Halwa. Halwa is a sweet and dense confectionery that is popular across the Middle East, India, and Central Asia. It is made from a variety of ingredients including semolina, flour, butter, sugar, and often embellished with nuts, dried fruits, and fragrant spices like cardamom and saffron. The mixture is typically cooked over a low flame until it forms a thick paste or a dough-like consistency that can be molded into various shapes. Halwa is a beloved dessert that is often served on special occasions and festivals, and it is enjoyed for its rich texture, sweetness, and complex flavor profile.